It only goes in one way, so just pay attention to the way the holes in it line up to the mounting bosses here. Once you've got the bottom two on, you can just use it to pivot everything into alignment. Remember, the top ones on either side hold either the speedometer cable or the front brake hose, so don't forget that little bracket. Very small steel screw into aluminum. Be gentle. Another Guten type rule. I'll start looking like a bike again here in a minute. That's the axle here. I'm going to start the axle a little bit so I can get the bearings. Oh, they're fine. Anytime you have the wheel apart, it's not a bad plan to at least check your bearings to see if they need replaced. But mine seem nice and smooth, so that's fine. Put that spacer in that side. And then lift it into place. Here's where having a friend help can sometimes be beneficial, but the front wheel's not too heavy. All right, now it's not. Line that up on there. There we go. I'm missing something. Oh, no, it's just not all the way through. There we go. Oop, wrong way. See, that's got a shoulder that acts as the spacer for the left-hand side. And then we put the retaining bolt back in. Pinch bolt, not retaining. Brake caliper time. It goes on that way. One T pound-feet times 12 is 240 inch-pounds. Bolt, new crush washer. Good enough. It wasn't all that tight to start with. Okay. And then we need to add fluid and bleed that. so it can work. Now this bleed is starting from scratch because I just rebuilt this front end. So there's gonna be nothing in there. So we're gonna fill you up. All right, I'm gonna attempt a on the bike bench bleed. So get this master cylinder doing something. See if I make a mess here. I'm probably gonna make a mess. At least that's the plan. It's trying to squirt some stuff out. All right, let's. Oh yeah, we're doing something now. There we go. There we go. I'll cheat a bit and use my finger on this. We'll put this back in when we do a final bleed, but for now I'm just going to use my finger. Squeeze. Definitely doing something. Now we're getting somewhere. Don't let your fluid get below the pickup or you get to start all over. And then you feel real smart. There's a reason some manufacturers wanted to use DOT5, even though it's a different chemistry. It's because it's a different chemistry. It doesn't react with paint. We got fluid coming out the bottom. Good. Oh, I'm doing that wrong. Way to go, stupid. All right, squirch. It's time to put a real bleeder screw on. Yay. Oh, now we're getting a gravity bleed. Look at all that air coming out. Push it. Put that little cap on later. Bleeding brakes is just meticulous. Go until you don't see bubbles, and then go a little bit more. I gotta seat those pads yet too. Well, let's see what we can do. They're moving. Got contact. Not a lot of lever feel. I probably still got air in there, but pads are making contact. That's good. Means the hydraulics basically work. There's some more air. It does not take much air to kill your braking performance. Give you that spongy lever or pedal feel and just otherwise be a problem. So gotta get it all out. There we go. I'm getting a little feel now. Finally. Ooh. Oh, I'm about there. I'm about there. I can feel it. Good. Little tiny bubbles left. Borderline usable. Oh, it's starting to feel like brakes now. That may be what we get. What's the scrape? Oh, or I dropped it. There we go, brakes. Pop this off. Put all the goodies back on top of it. Put it on here first. No leak down because it's holding tight right there. There we go. Okay, the front end is done. Next little series will be that, this guy, and this guy. Well, that guy. But that's next time.